Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching physical ports and power. Check HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C and the monitor's input. Once the cable is attached, turn the monitor on and select the correct input. On your laptop or desktop, open Display Settings to detect the new screen. This is where you choose Extend versus Mirror. Do this now so the system recognizes the panel. It speeds troubleshooting and avoids wasted cable swapping later. Once detected, position the displays logically. Drag their icons to match real-world left-right placement so your cursor moves naturally between them. Make one screen primary if you need taskbar or menu consistency. Then set each monitor's resolution and scaling to optimize clarity. Higher DPI screens need different scaling. Finally, decide whether to extend, duplicate, or use only the second screen based on your workflow. Extend for multitasking, duplicate for presentations, second screen only for focused output. Complete the setup by arranging windows and saving display presets. You want quick recall. Make sure color profiles and night light settings match so visuals remain consistent. If things stall, power cycle both devices and receipt cables. Sometimes swap to another port or cable to isolate faults. If the screen still fails, update or reinstall display drivers and test the monitor with a different computer to determine whether the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.